tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting topic that is on how to create a performance review deck. So basically you can see this performance review deck is useful for all the team leaders who are working with operation training or quality, because they need to get this reviewed for every month, wherein their manager will ask them like what the performance we have achieved in the last month for the respective span. And we can also prepare such kind of reviews for our WBRs, like weekly business review with the client. We can prepare it. My agenda here is how we can create such kind of reviews wherein data can be updated automatically on the all the upcoming reviews, and wherein we just need to update a manual data one time. Afterwards we just need to update the numbers, the slide will get refreshed. So how we can do this? So for that we have to use Google Sheet. First thing, we have to use Google Sheet, then we have to use the Google Slide. If we use both this, then only we can prepare such kind of data automatically. For Google Slide, you can directly go to Google, scroll it down, there is an option of slides. If you click here, this particular tab will get opened. I have chosen the blank presentation, and then I move to this layout and themes. In the themes you can see multiple themes are there. I have chosen one, and then I have added some text information and all. I will be sharing this presentation with you guys so that you can also get an overview also with the tricks, and just let's learn it how we can prepare this. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, and also click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. So let's start today's concept, that is on how to prepare this particular performance deck. For this, what I have did, I have just added the content in which I have required like headcount detail in the overview, productivity and utilization number, the shrinkage and attendance number, quality data, BQ means bottom quartile analysis data, then abandoned route data, late login and additional activities. Guys, this is my understanding, so I have added this data. Now whatever requirement your manager suggested to you, you can go with those particular data, and you can prepare the review on the basis of the data what you guys have. Okay, so let's start the process. For it, what I have done is the content what I required, I have just added in the subsheets. You can see here all this have added in the subsheet. Just I need to add my the analytical data here so that I can paste it out. So now first point, that is overview on the headcount detail, how much HC I have right now. So you can see here I have added the HC detail of 15 employees, or maybe might be 16 employees who are aligned to me. You can see here I just added everything like their workflow, this is productivity sheet. Let me move to the headcount sheet, my miss. So here you can see employee ID, employee name, then their workflow, then you can see the tenuity and if they are live or in the nesting. So I just copy this, Control C. I'll go to the performance review deck, then I will just paste it here. Let me delete the past one, and I will paste it here. Okay, it will ask link to spreadsheet. Yes, we will do this. After doing this, what you have to do is just adjust this to some extent where you want to keep it. Just adjust this. Okay, let me drag. Okay, this is done. You can see my data is pasted now. Now let me see one more thing. Suppose if I'm changing the employee name, considering like the employee name is Lisa here, example. Okay, so I have just changed the name here in the May month review example. So what will happen in the performance review deck? Automatically it will show you the option of update. If you do update, automatically the data will get moved here. Yes, the Lisa got changed. Now this is what I want to show you guys. In this way, one time just update your data manually. Rest, if you do changes anything here, automatically this will get reflect here. In this way you can prepare your review. One thing you need to remember here is, guys, considering like if you prepare the April data and if you're deleting the data here, for sure all the data will get removed. So I would suggest every time whenever you prepare a data, just make a copy of it and make a copy of this presentation also, so that you can use the same presentation and same like you can use the existing presentation for the May data. The copy what you have prepared, you can save it in the drive with the name of April data, so that you can prepare a new sheet and slide for the May data here, so it will work. So this is done. Let me go to the production and utilization data. I have the data ready, like EHT, production number, utilization. What I have done, just simply I have pasted here. So this is also done. You can see here all the data has been pasted, and I will add few callouts like what I want to highlight. In this way I have just added the production number also. So quite easy. Headcount detail, production report. Now if you want to add more slide, you can add, right click, and you can make a new slide or duplicate slide. If you do this, automatically the slide will come to the next, and just change the shrinkage and leave whatever tabs you require. Now same thing you have to do what I have done for the productivity and the uh, like the productivity and headcount data. Same way you need to add the rest data. Where you will add in this particular sheets. Now how you get a data, you need to check in your portals or in your WFM team, whoever is sharing the data, they will help you with the raw data. You just need to check it for your span and paste it out here. Take that particular table, paste it here, your data is ready. Now in this way you have prepared the April review. Now you want this sheet also, and the existing one, save it in a drive. The copy what you have made, use it for the May month. Same, you just need to pay, just update the data, everything will get done automatically in your presentation and the in the raw data. So in this way you can prepare your review deck very easily and smartly, wherein just changing few numbers, automatically your presentation will get updated. So this is main agenda behind creating the performance review, and I will be sharing you this tricks and the this tricks and the presentation in the YouTube description link. You just download it and utilize it in your own way, so that you can learn it in a better way, guys. So thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you still have any doubt, let me know, guys, in the feedback session.